AirDrop is a feature from Apple Inc., aiming at moving data between iDevices or iPhone or iPad and Mac. While during the use, some of you may have encountered AirDrop not working on iPhone issue ... in an attempt to deliver a comprehensive guide to handle the problem. This video discusses 13 solutions. Part 1. Troubleshoot AirDrop not working on iPhone issues. 13 fixes. 1. Put iDevices within 30 feet. 2. Adjust AirDrop. 3. Reset network settings. 4. Restart Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. 5. Log out and log back in iCloud. 6. Make sure your iDevice is visible. 7. Disable Do Not Disturb mode. 8. Turn off airplane mode. 9. Disable personal hotspot. 10. Don't share different file types in one go. 11. Check iPhone OS for update. 12. Restart your iPhone. 13. Factory reset iPhone. Part 3. Use the best AirDrop alternative software to transfer iOS data. You may want to find an alternative to transfer data between your iPhones or iPads. Since AirDrop on iPhone not working, OK, Mobile can transfer for mobile can be your best bet. It can copy data from one phone to another easily. You can follow the steps below. 1. Download the program. 2. Connect iPhones to computer via USB cables. 3. All the transferable types of data will then appear on the screen. Just choose your desired type S, and then click Start Copy to commence.